Hey guys, I'm here at my closest Family Dollar, which is not right down the road, but not too far from me. And I'm going to go in here and coupon for the very first time. So it was worth the drive. It's in my hometown, so it's like 10-12 minutes from my house. I've been seeing a lot of YouTubers post about the deals, and I just wanted to try it for myself. Yeah, so let's see, y'all. Let's see how this goes. Oh, most of these coupons are digital, which makes it super duper easy. It's just, making sure everything comes off and you get the right products is what is the thing. So I'm gonna do this right here, the first deal, which is $1 off of the 4-pack of Charmin. And so that'll be $5, regular price $6. Or I could get the ultra soft, and I'm gonna get the ultra strong. Let's see. I'm gonna get this too, which is $3.95 regular price, $1 off, final price $2.95. I think I'm gonna get the odor blasters. Okay guys, I'm gonna get the Tide Pods. I got the 4-in-1 Downy, and it should be $1 off. Let's see. My handwriting is terrible. $2 off, so it should be $2.95 after the digital coupon. And then I'm gonna get the Gain Flings, which is $4.50, 14 count with, let's see, they're confusing me with this other one. The Flings are $1 off, $2.95. Yeah, here it is. They don't have it all in the same place. What is this? Aroma Burst. I'll try that another time. Okay guys, the next one I'm gonna get is the 69-ounce Tide, which is $8.95 regular price, $2 off, $6.95. Yeah. And I'm gonna get this one, Spring and Renewal. Okay, the 39-ounce Tide is supposed to be, which is this size here, $5.50, and it's $2 off, and it should be $3.50. Let's see, $5.50. Yeah, I don't see a hang tag, but I'll double check. Okay guys, I'm gonna get the scent boosters. No, fireworks, I'm sorry, Gain. This right here is $5. I don't see a hang tag, so I'm gonna double check and scan this. I think it's $1 off, which makes it $4 after a digital coupon. Okay guys, so the next promo is $4.50, the liquid fabric softener, but I can get the infusions, so I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna scan it and make sure it is correct. So after digital coupon, I'm gonna get 2 of them. It'll be $3 each, total $6. Okay, I'm also going to get the Scott's 8 rolls here, which is only a 50-cent digital coupon, which will be $6 afterwards. Regular price $6, but I love Scott's. I love anything that's similar to Scott's. So if I get it at Aldi or Walmart, the Great Value brand, I just like this tissue better. I did get some Angel Soft. I don't think I recorded it, but I'll show you guys when I get home, and some Bounty. Okay guys, I had a coupon where I buy 1 Oreo, the regular Oreo, and get the most stuff for free. and I don't see it. I was gonna get it for Trill and the boys. It will be right here in this spot. I did scan the mega stuff and it didn't qualify. So I know the double stuff don't qualify, but I'll check. So, bummer.
¿De qué va a ser? ¿De pollo? ¿De rojo? ¿De puerco y de rojo? Sí. 20 y 60.
So I'm back in the car and I did pretty good. I still wanted to save a little bit more. I wanted my total to be like less than $30, but I know I got some higher price items. So I spent $43.79. Subtotal was $39.75. I wanted to get a lot of paper products and detergent, and I saved $38.50. So my total came to like 80 some dollars beforehand. I wanted to make sure all of my digitals came off. Let's see, my nails is jacked, y'all, and my handwriting jacked. Okay, so my digital came off there. The Scott's 50 cents. The Bounty $1. See, that was really pricey, but that was okay. The Angel Soft $1 off of 5. The lavender, oh, my coupon didn't come off of that. Oh no, that's what happened. Downy, but I scanned it. Downy Infusion, that came off $1.50, $1.50, $3 off. The air, oh, I see. Wait a minute. No, I had to buy 2 in order to get $3 off, so that's right. The Ultra Strong, $1 off. Oh man. The Game Works, $2 off, made it $3.50. Arm & Hammer, $1 off. Gain, I think that's Arm & Hammer. Tide, $2.50. Smart coupon, $20 off. So the only thing I saw that did not come off, which I'm not sure why, was the Angel Soft Big Lavender Roll. Yeah, and that was $1 off coupon. So I'm gonna check my phone and see if it's in there. I mean, not my phone, my app, and see if it's still there. Hello, hopefuls. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. I'm recording on my phone, so if it sounds a little different or look different, that is what's going on. So I'm going to separate this video into 2 videos so it won't be super duper long. I first went to Family Dollar today, and then I went to CVS to take advantage of some of their promotions they have. So I'm gonna put that in a separate video, and I'm gonna link that. But I did pretty good. If you want to see this one, I ended up spending $54, but I got $17 back in ECBs. And I saved 41%, $35.30. So if you want to see this one, I'll put that video above. Okay. So over here at Family Dollar, I don't have a Family Dollar in my local town. I did take you guys in the store with me, so I'll put that at the beginning. And I did pretty good with this one. With this one, I spent $43 and I saved $38.50. I did catch a hiccup in the car, and I was going to go back, and I said, well, I ain't going to worry about it because I'm going to come back. And they have a promo right now. If you spend $75, you get $20 off. If you spend $50, you get $10, I think. And then it's another one. So I'll probably go back and do the 50 off of 10, maybe tomorrow. And so these are the items that I picked up. So some of the items are a little bit higher in price because I kind of want to stockpile, and I'm getting started with this. So I didn't go with the rock bottom or the lower cost things, like for instance the Scott's, which Scott's is my favorite tissue, or the Great Value brand or the Aldi brand that's similar that they have. My boys are probably used to this. It's thinner too. I guess I was raised with Scott's, so I'm afraid too that they get this thicker stuff, which I bought anyway. They're gonna clog the toilet, but I just have to handle that. And if that becomes the issue, then I just can't keep buying it. But anyway, this was only like, this had a 50-cent digital coupon, and that's, a lot of things have changed with couponing, and this is one thing that has changed a lot, is that they have a lot of digital coupons. You don't have to mess with a lot of paper. So this was, I didn't go in here with any paper coupons. I just download the app and matched up the sales, made sure my regular total, you can get you a little notebook, that's what I did, end up being the total price of whatever the promo or whatever it's supposed to be, or whatever your budget is. I put the regular price of the item. Let's see if I can find it. That's CVS. I think I showed it in the car. It was kind of jacked. So I put the regular price, I put the digital price, and then I just checked it off as I went. And yeah. You can also go by the flyer that they have. You can use the Flip app or the paper. Well, most of them have a digital on their website too. And then after the coupon. So I wanted to spend $75 in order to get the $20 off. Anyway, so back to the Scots. It was only a 50 cents digital. The Bounty, they didn't have the one that I wanted, but this one was okay. This was $1 off, $9.50. So this was quite pricey, but yeah, quite pricey, but still in the end it was cheaper. The Angel Soft was $1 off digital. This one did not come off. This one did, but this one did not come off for some reason. And I like Dollar General too, because you can pull up that digital coupon in the store, and it has a qualify button. I'll see if I can screenshot it and insert it, and you can scan it and it'll let you know that that item qualifies for that coupon. And I think that is so neat. So that'll be awesome if everybody does that. Okay, let's see, y'all. So I didn't worry about it. I said I'll go back and buy some more Angel Soft. I do. That is my next go-to of toilet tissue I buy. The Downy Infusion was $4.50 each, and I had a $1.50 coupon off of each. So that was $9, which made it $6 for those, which is a great price because you'll spend that much on one. The Febreze, you had to buy two. They were $3. You had to buy two in order to get $3 off. And yeah, so I ended up paying for one, or $1.50 each, however you want to say it. And then the Charmin Ultra Strong, the 4-pack was $6, which is this right here, which was $1 off digital coupon. The Tide Pods Downy April Fresh, $4.95, a $2 off digital coupon, which made it a great price, y'all. So in my store, well, I would say my hometown store, I guess people are going in there stealing. They had like the little gator tags, I guess you'll see in the video on here, and some other like clothes tag. I can't think of what they're called. I think it is a gator tag on here. And it's just sad. It's just sad because I understand, you know, your money's tight or whatever, but, you know, try to figure out how to make you some homemade laundry detergent, or homemade laundry detergent, or, you know, download the app. Everybody has a phone, and pay $2.95 for it instead of doing all that. Okay, some Tide, let's see, Gain Fireworks. The Gain Fireworks, which I may have purchased once, but I haven't really purchased a whole lot. I usually get Downy, so I'm excited to use that, and that's $1. No. Regular price $5, $3.95, $1 off digital coupon. Let's see, what else, y'all? So the Tide Febreze Botanical Spring and Renewal. This was, is that right? I knew that was too big. I'm sorry, Botanical Rain. This was $5.50. Yeah, $2 off digital, so it made it $3.50, which is awesome. The Arm & Hammer over here was $3.95 with $1 off digital, made it $2.95, which that is a really good price for that large amount, which is 1.81 liters. I mean, really, they even had gator tags on Arm & Hammer. And then the Febreze, this is a big thing of Febreze for $69 Tide, spring and renewal. It was regular price $9.95. The promo price $8.95 with a $2 digital, which made it $6.95. And then I got a $2 off. I'm sorry, $20 off because my subtotal came to above. I think it was like $77. It don't show my subtotal on here, but anyway, I paid $39.70. I'm sorry, my subtotal after coupons was $39.75, and then my total I paid was $43.79. So they just said that was good. So I paid about $80 some for all of that, all of these items. Really, really good. Well, really 90, but counting the ECBs, really, really good, y'all. So guys, I hope you guys are doing great and wonderful, and thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I definitely can't wait to go to Dollar General. I've been waiting to go to Dollar General. They have a 25 off of 5 off of 25 on Saturdays, and so I'm gonna wait to Saturday. And then also I've been waiting. I'll probably go back to Family Dollar maybe tomorrow before Saturday because I think the sale is up. Okay guys, bye bye.